Okay guys, so I've seen many requests for this, and a lot of people asking how to make EAS videos, so for anyone who watches my videos and wonders how to make them, this is for you. So first you figure out what your video topic is gonna be. Then after that, you find a piece of software or website that allows for free use of TTS. You are currently hearing me using the app Balaboka, but for newcomers who want a wide variety of generic voices who don't want the hassle of going through, downloading Balaboka and installing voice packs, I would recommend a site called TTS Demo. The link will be in the description. Now that you have identified your TTS service, you need to record the tones. You can simply go to YouTube, search up EAS tones, and record the sounds, or you could find a free MP3 website and get them off there, but generally it is marginally more convenient to get them off YouTube. Next, type out your alerts and record. I would recommend using OBS to record, as it allows you to set up certain things that allows your audio to come out a bit better, but it's up to you. Now another step to take before recording is finding the right editor. I use a free service called VSDC. It is a fantastic and simple to use editor that gets the job done well, but it's ultimately up to you on which editor to use. Now go into the editor, assemble your sounds, and be sure to add on screen text during the alerts, as this is the lifeblood of your graphical involvement. Now if you want to establish a good background story like I do, use a text insert option, and think up a good story that can really invest a viewer. Now you probably already figured this out, but there is no moving text on screen, like there usually is. Well, since I use VSDC I will show you, and then I will hand it off to Electric Fanatic to demonstrate how to make moving text in Adobe Premiere. After you've done that, rinse and repeat, and there you go, you have a video. I would like to take 1 second to actually commemorate 5K, so if you will, stick with me for a moment. Thank you first of all to Electric Fanatic for filming the demonstration of this video, but I'd like to thank the Discord for the support and the suggestions for videos that make choosing a topic so much easier, but most of all, I'd like to thank my viewers and subscribers. I never thought I'd make it to 1K let alone 5K going on 6K, so thank you all so much. Let's keep this milestone streak going. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another EAS video.